A grand challenge is something that engineers work towards solving and does not have a simple answer. They are about being creative and working together to come up with ideas that one person may not have thought of on their own. These tasks make use of almost every discipline in engineering, depending on the project. For our Grand Challenge project, we chose to work with the idea of providing access to clean water. This is an issue that needs to be addressed because while some developed countries such as America can use and drink clean water every day without even thinking about it, there are some countries where this is not the case. Many countries, such as Afghanistan, Haiti, and Chad, and many others, have little to no access to clean water. Of course, water is the most essential resource needed to stay alive. But in countries with these problems, they cannot drink the clean water, which often leads to diseases such as worm disease, typhoid, and dysentery.
3 specific disciplines that can be used in this grand challenge are agricultural, chemical, and mechanical. First, chemical engineering, very important in transforming the raw materials and chemicals into useful, everyday products. They work with everything from the clothes we wear to the food we eat and drink to the energy we use. Chemical engineering works out the process to make all of these products while also helping to manage the world's resources, protect the environment, and ensure health and safety standards are met. A chemical engineering influences the grand challenges because they make sure that there is the correct acidity to make sure the water is safe. Chemical engineering makes sure that the compounds are not mixing with other chemicals, making the water not safe to drink. It helps eliminate the bacteria and harmful bacteria throughout. The last reason that chemical engineering is helpful for accessing clean water is that it helps add CO2 to improve biofuel products. In conclusion, many people do not think that chemical engineers help clean water, but in reality, they are the main engineers to make it sanitary.
Agriculture engineers are the reason why we can have so much variety at the local grocery store. They work to make agriculture more efficient and preserve food to send across the country. Agricultural engineers do a variety of things such as designing machinery, component and equipment used in agriculture settings. They also test agricultural machinery and equipment to ensure that they perform properly. Finally, they create food processing plant and preserve manufacturing operation, ensuring safety and sanitary.
Because one of the agricultural engineers' duties is to create safe, clean ways of processing food and water, they would be essential in creating a safe option for containing water and efficiently distributing it. Mechanical engineering has a heavy influence in almost all new challenges trying to be resolved due to the broadness of the study. Whenever machinery is involved in a new project, a mechanical engineer is typically present due to their focus on inventing and developing new machinery to complete the project efficiently. Regarding the idea of providing access to clean water to areas that are less fortunate, the mechanical engineer's job is to design a filtration system to filter the unhealthy water if the location includes the water source. As shown in the figure where the dirty water enters the top and came out clean in the bottom. They also design a system to maintain the integrity of the filtration systems at all times. Finally, a new desalination system may be needed to increase efficiency and reduce costs due to mass production and significance of the system.
Water is the most essential resources in the world. Without it, humans would die. While it's possible to consume water that is not clean, it will lead to horrible diseases which could also kill you. Because of this and the fact that there is not access to clean water all over the globe, it is important for engineers to create a system to clean water from streams and lakes in underdeveloped countries.
Created using Powtoon.